In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. When your accounts receivable list is cluttered with old or uncollectible invoices, it can make your books confusing and your reports misleading. One effective way to clean this up is by using a journal entry to write off those balances properly so they no longer show as money owed to you. I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain the key ideas as we go so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. First, in QuickBooks Online, go to the plus sign labeled New at the top of your screen and select Journal Entry. The journal entry is the tool that lets you move amounts between accounts in a controlled, accurate way. Next, set the journal date. Use the date when you want this adjustment to impact your books. For example, if you're cleaning up at year-end, choose a date in that closing period. This ensures your reports for that period correctly reflect the write-off or adjustment you're making. Now, on the first line of the journal entry, you'll choose the appropriate account for the debit. Common options here are an allowance for doubtful accounts or a bad debts expense account, depending on how your accounting is set up. If you're unsure which one to use, it's a good idea to follow your accountant's guidance or your company's existing policy. Enter the amount you're writing off in the debit column. This step records the cost or recognition of the uncollectible amount. On the second line, open the account drop-down again, but this time, select Accounts Receivable. This is crucial because you're reducing the balance that shows as owed by the customer. By using Accounts Receivable here, you're directly impacting that customer's outstanding balance. In the name column on that same line, choose the specific customer whose invoice or balance you're cleaning up. Then, enter the exact same amount in the credit column. Matching the debit and credit amounts keeps the journal entry in balance while removing the receivable from that customer's account. Once everything looks correct, review the date, the accounts, the customer, and the amounts. When you're comfortable that it's accurate, save the journal entry. After saving, you can go to that customer's profile to confirm that their open balance has been reduced or cleared, helping keep your accounts receivable list accurate and up to date.